Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the top 100 current affairs of 2024 and 2025, which is very useful for your upcoming exams. So watch the entire video. Let's see the first question. Who became the India's first woman law secretary? Correct answer is option C, अंजू राठी राणा. सो रिसेंटली इंडिया की पहली वुमेन लॉ सेक्रेटरी के रूप में अपॉइंट किया गया है अंजू राठी राणा को. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द रिलीफ मिशन लॉन्च्ड बाय इंडिया फॉर अर्थक्वेक हिट म्यांमार एंड थाईलैंड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, ऑपरेशन ब्रह्मा. Which of the following bill has been passed by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in April 2025? Correct answer is option A, Waqf Amendment Bill 2025. Next question. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup in 2026? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. 2026 में जो फीफा वर्ल्ड कप होगा ये यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, कनाडा एंड मैक्सिको में हेल्ड होगा. सो रिमेंबर दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर वॉज द वर्ल्ड गवर्नमेंट समिट 2025 हेल्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दुबई, यूएई. हु हैज़ बीन ऑनर्ड विद द 34th व्यास सम्मान? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, सूर्य बाला. Where was the first Bharat Steam Boiler Expo 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, Guwahati, Assam. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. Who became the first Indian woman to win the National Car Racing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Diana Pundole. What was India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 105th. Who won the Best Director Award at the IFA Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, किरण राव. इनको इनकी पिक्चर लापता लेडीज़ के लिए बेस्ट डायरेक्टर का अवार्ड दिया गया है. सो रिमेंबर दिस. Who won the Booker Prize 2024 for her novel Orbital? Correct answer is option B, Samantha Harvey. What is the new name of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra? Correct answer is option B, Ahilyanagar. Who received the prestigious IAF World Space Award in 2024? Correct answer is option B, S. Somnath. Who has been appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Rajiv Gaba. Who took the oath as the 42nd Governor of Bihar? Correct answer is option D, Arif Mohammad Khan. Which team topped the medals table in 38 national games? Correct answer is option A, Services. 38 नेशनल गेम्स कहाँ पर हेल्ड हुए थे? इसका आंसर आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वेयर वॉज द फर्स्ट एवर लिथियम माइन ऑक्शन हेल्ड इन इंडिया? Correct answer is option D, Korba district, which is located in Chhattisgarh. Which two countries will conduct the 14th edition of exercise Indra in 2025? Correct answer is option B, India and Russia. According to the Hurun Global Rich List 2025, what rank did India achieve globally in terms of the number of billionaires? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, थर्ड. और इस लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग जो इंडिया के सबसे रिचेस्ट पर्सन है वो है मुकेश अंबानी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज़ बीन अवॉर्डेड द लता मंगेशकर अवार्ड इन 2024? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अमिताभ बच्चन. विच प्लेयर वॉन द इंडियन ओपन 2025 स्क्वैश टाइटल? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, अनाहत सिंह. Which country will host the Commonwealth Games in 2026? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, स्कॉटलैंड। स्कॉटलैंड के ग्लासगो में 2026 में कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हेल्ड होंगे, सो रिमेंबर दिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच बैंक हैज़ लॉन्च द फर्स्ट अर्न रुपे क्रेडिट कार्ड इन कोलेबोरेशन विथ रुपे? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक। Who has been appointed as the chairman and CEO of the railway board? Correct answer is option B, Satish Kumar. When was the first anniversary of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony of Ram Lalla in Ayodhya celebrated? Correct answer is option C, 22nd January 2025. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the fifth time? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. What was the theme of India's 76th Republic Day parade in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Swarnim Bharat, Virasat और विकास। Who was appointed as India's new ambassador to Israel in January 2025? Correct answer is option D, Jitendra Pal Singh. Where was the Nagoba Jatara Tribal Festival 2025 celebrated? Correct answer is option A, Telangana. Which player won the men's Ballon d'Or for 2024? Correct answer is option C, Rodri. Where was the Global Bio India 2024 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Who was honored with the Gates Cambridge Impact Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Professor Urbasi Sinha. Where was the 108 feet tall statue of Nanda Prabhu Kempegowda, known as the Statue of Prosperity, installed? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup in 2034? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Who has been recently appointed as the chairman of SBI? Correct answer is option A, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Who was awarded the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. Who was awarded the UNEP's the Champions of the Earth Lifetime Achievement Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Madhav Gadgil. Which actor was recently honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Mithun Chakravarti. What is the name of the groundbreaking multimodal AI model introduced by Microsoft? Correct answer is option B, Magma. What is the new name of Hindustan Aeronautic Limited's flagship jet training aircraft, Hindustan Jet Trainer HJT-36? Correct answer is option B, Yashash. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. What is the name of the large-scale security operation recently launched by Bangladesh? Correct answer is option B, Operation Devil Hunt. Where was the Alai Balai festival celebrated? Correct answer is option A, Hyderabad, Telangana. Where was the Bharat Calling Conference 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. What is Delhi's rank in the Global Cities Index 2024? Correct answer is option C, 358th. Which country has become the first to criminalize AI generated child sexual abuse material? Correct answer is option C, United Kingdom. Who among the following presented the eighth consecutive union budget on 1st February 2025? Correct answer is option D. Nirmala Sitharaman. Who won the Tata Steel Chess Masters 2025? Correct answer is option D. R. Pragnanda. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Food Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C. Ashutosh Agnihotri. Which Indian cities became the first to be recognized as accredited wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands? Correct answer is option B. Jaipur and Indore. Where is Udhwa Lake located, which has been added to the Ramsar site list in February 2025? Correct answer is option D. Jharkhand. Which country will host the Quad Leaders Summit in 2025? Correct answer is option A. India. Which country has become the 20th non-regional member of the Asian Development Bank? Correct answer is option C. Israel. Who won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature? Correct answer is option B. Han Kong. Who won the Women's Ballon d'Or 2024? Correct answer is option C. Etana Bonmati. Which album won the Grammy Award for Album of the Year in 2025? Correct answer is option B. Cowboy Carter by Beyonce. Who was awarded the Locarno Film Festival Career Award 2024? Correct answer is option B. Shah Rukh Khan. Which state became the first to implemented semiconductor policy in India? Correct answer is option A. Gujarat. Which state government recently launched the Subhadra Yojana scheme? Correct answer is option A. Odisha. Who has been awarded the Rashtriya Tansen Samman for the year 2023? Correct answer is option A. Pandit Swapan Chaudhary. Which country was selected as the host for the 2030 Winter Olympics and Paralympic Games? Correct answer is option C. France. India's first digital museum was opened in which state? Correct answer is option C. Maharashtra. What is India's rank in Knight Frank's The Wealth Report 2025? Correct answer is option C. Fourth. Which among the following series won the Best Series Award at the Filmfare OTT Awards 2024? Correct answer is option C. The Railway Man. Which Indian institute has inaugurated Asia's largest shallow wave basin research facility? Correct answer is option C. IIT Madras. Who has recently awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman Award? Correct answer is option B. Christine Carla Kangalu. Which fintech company recently became the first to launch a beta version of its e-rupee wallet? Correct answer is option C. Cred. Who has been awarded the Shri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati National Eminence Award 2024 for public leadership? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी एस जयशंकर. एस जयशंकर ये जो है करेंट फॉरेन मिनिस्टर है इंडिया के. सो रिमेंबर दिस टू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु हैज़ बिन ऑनर्ड विद द साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड 2024 फॉर असमिस? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए समीर तांती. वॉट इज द न्यू नेम ऑफ पुणे एयरपोर्ट? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी जगतगुरु संत तुकाराम महाराज इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. Where was India's first World Peace Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option C. Gurugram. Which state government inaugurated the Shahid Madho Singh Haath Kharcha scheme? Correct answer is option B. Odisha. Who won the Best FIFA Men's Player Award in 2024? Correct answer is option A, Vinicius Jr. Where was India's first writers village inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Who won the Kho World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, India. Who was honored with the Jamsetji Tata Award by Indian Society for Quality? Correct answer is option B, Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Which country was added as the 18th member of the United Nations Command? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Which country won the Sultan Ajlan Shah Cup in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Japan. Who is the present chairperson of the National Commission for Women? Correct answer is option B, Vijay Kishore Rahatkar. What is the new name of Kaksar Bridge of Ladakh? Correct answer is option B, Captain Amit Bharadwaj Setu. Who has been appointed as the Chief of the Naval Staff? Correct answer is option D, Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. Which film won the National Film Award 2024 for Best Feature Film? Correct answer is option B, Attam. Manu Bhakar has been honored with the Khel Ratna Award for the year 2024 is related to which sport? Correct answer is option A, shooting. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, Pamesh Shivmani. How many Padma Bhushan has been given in the year 2025? Correct answer is option A, 19. Who became the first person to spend 1000 days in space in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Oleg Kononenko. Which state or union territory hosted the Khelo India Winter Games in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. What is the new name of Karimganj district of Assam? Correct answer is option C, Shri Bhumi. Who were India's flag bearers at the opening ceremony of the Paris Olympic 2024? Correct answer is option B, Sarat Kamal and PV Sindhu. Which film won the Golden Peacock Award for Best Film at the 55th International Film Festival of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, Toxic. How many medals were won by India at the Paralympics 2024? Correct answer is option D, 29. Which PSU has become the 14th Maharatna company? Correct answer is option A, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. In which state of India is Kharchi Puja celebrated? Correct answer is option D, Tripura. Which ministry has launched a species specific campaign Shatavari for better health? Correct answer is option A, Ministry of Ayush. Who was the first Indian to summit Mount Shishpangma? Correct answer is option C, Arjun Bajpai. Recently, Ali Ai Ligang festival celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Assam. Who translated Banu Mushtaq's short story collection Heart Lamb from Kannada? Correct answer is option B, Deepa Bhasti. Where was the first international conference on carbon markets Prakriti 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Which team won their second consecutive Indian Super League Winners' Shield in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. Question number 1 is, who became the India's first woman law secretary? And question number second is, what was India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2024? So friends, share your answer in the comment box, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you really found this video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.